Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Alright, ready for another day of exercising here. I got a lot of announcements at the end, as well as your prep for today will be at the end. What's going on today here is as soon as I get done filming this and starting the editing, I got to make a run into Idaho Falls. Got to get my monthly pantry haul or prepper haul, whatever you want to call it. And that has to do with one of the announcements coming up here at the end. So stick around and watch the end. I will be doing probably about half an hour to 45 minutes on the Gazelle. So I will be doing some really high speed work on that. I'm trying to keep this down to about 8 to 10 minutes if I can on so it meets YouTube's best thing parameters, whatever. All right, anyway, so let's get at it and then we will get to the announcements at the end. All right, did about 45 minutes on there, 286 calories. Still getting back into shape to where I was before the cold took me out. All right, upcoming events here. Okay, so tonight on Tactical Tuesday, the topic is when freedom seeds are gone. I changed it to that from when ammo is gone. Try to make it so it doesn't get dinged so much by the AI. Hang on, let me get my glasses so I can read my notes. Hard part about getting old. Okay, Thursday night is the midnight ride. That's so the countdown begins at 11:55 Thursday evening. Friday on Camp Patton Family Compound, the topic is daily groceries versus monthly staples, and this was submitted by Butch Sand Hollow Homestead from something he saw when he was at a Costco in Nampa. Saturday was requested by Dr. Paula Ruffin. It's about security cameras. We're going to cover security cameras, you know, what I've learned using them over the last 20 some odd years, which ones are good, which ones are bad, which ones are overpriced, stuff like that. All right, Monday on Camp Patton Family Compound is got Tammy coming in and a couple others, and we're going to be talking about canning dairy. All right, and so that's the this next week's live streams coming up. All right, today's your prep for today. Batteries. Winter's not over. There are still people get storms coming in. There's still power lines going down. Do you have enough batteries for all your lights and stuff that you're going to need to be able to keep functioning when the power goes out? All right. So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out doing anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill, and if you can, plant something to grow indoors. Early this morning, I put out a video on my indoor garden over on Camp Patton Family Compound. You might want to go check that one out and show you ways you can go ahead and grow some stuff indoors.